It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood today. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Guys, welcome to my first vlog of the day, This is my first vlog, guys, and I'm very excited. We're going to the beach. We're going to have some fun. And I don't know what else to say, to be honest, because it's been a while since I posted my last YouTube video. But hey, guess what? I'm back. Adi, move! I'm trying to record my YouTube video. So we're going to Walmart to get some floaties with me and one of my friends that you guys have seen before. Her name is Leica. Leica, do you want to come and say hi?
I will.
To my YouTube fam.
I'm back.
Hello. So yeah, what are we
Beach day. Today's a beach day.
Okay, what else are we doing?
I'm not even sure. What are we doing?
I
guess we'll go with the flow.
Yeah, we're going with the flow. So we're going to the beach. We'll be
We're actually matching. Look at that. Black on black today.
black on
Aye.
black, honey. Oh, I should have shown my outfit of the day, but anyways.
Who
Andre. Andre, say hi.
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 Oh, those are my keys.
You got the
yeah,
keys?
Yes, I'll take those back.
Do you drive, Andre?
Oh, he wants to drive.
Do you drive? Are you sure you drive? You don't even have your license, hon?
Rita,
Yes.
where you going?
Oh, we're going to the beach. Beach day. Don't you want to go
Are
to
you
the
coming
lake?
with us? Yeah. Okay.
You're going to learn how to swim today, Andre.
With me.
Rita, go to a lake.
Yeah, we're going to the lake. Anyways. Okay. Little introduction here.
Hello.
Hi. This is Anna.
Subscribe to Rita.
This is Anna, my brother's fiance.
First sister.
First sister.
Our first sister.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day, right?
It is.
Are you excited?
I want to go to the water right
Right?
now.
We're going to the water very soon, guys. Oh my god.
Hi, Andre.
Oh my god. Anyways. Okay, so I'll be heading to Walmart to get some floaties. And I'll see you guys when I get there. So hi guys. So we're on our way to Walmart right now. My hair is being all crazy. And
Your mom's so sweet.
so yeah, this girl met my mom today. And I don't know what else to say. What should I say, Leica? This is my first vlog of the day.
We're going to Walmart.
We're going to
Super
Walmart.
excited. Super excited.
We're going to get some floaties. Cause
Hopefully they have his size.
yeah,
We'll just have a look.
yeah, we're just gonna have a look and get a few things that we need.
Let's get drinks. I think we should get drinks too.
Yeah.
Parce qu'il va faire chaud. J'ai pas apporté de l'eau.
Okay. Okay. Already we speak both French and English here, so it is what it is.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, I'll meet you guys there. Okay, so we are here at Walmart. We're just gonna put our masks on and head inside. Woo! I have my makeup on.
The struggle.
Jeez, the struggle is real.
Oh, they have ice. Maybe we should get packs of ice too. Look, that woman's getting ice. Oh, but we don't have a cooler.
Don't you have some ice at home?
I don't have a cooler. God, they came prepared. Okay.
Oh my god, I can't breathe.
All
Like,
right,
this
let's
is
go.
too hot.
Wish us luck.
This is some type of exercise that I was not looking forward to. Oh jeez. Holy fuck. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Yo. This is hard. This vlogging life is.
If you get hungry, there's blueberries.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh, jeez. The view looks so beautiful. Oh,
Oh, this is where you wanted to go.
No, I want to go to the other one.
Oh, okay.
How can we jump from here to there?
oh my God. Pretty.
Oh, really?
I can just hear him. Andre's loud.
Oh, shoot. We don't need gym for this.
No, just watch your feet. Just get in the rush.
Yeah.
That's what I'm worried about.
Oh, gee.
I feel like we're like explorers.
We are
My
though.
gums gonna be so sandy.
Oh, jeez.
Maybe shoes was a good idea.
Yeah.
You guys, the shoes was a good idea. You guys are like, nah.
Oh, jeez. We're on the beach.
I mean, right now we're not exactly.
Oh, jeez. This is hard.
How are you standing?
You guys already here.
We're almost there. Oh, I can hear Andre.
Well, you can always hear him. I feel like that's a good thing, though.
It's like 1, 2, 3.
Getting myself dirty.
For the vlogs. Woo! Oh, jeez.
Okay. Managed to
Woo! Okay. Perfect.
the Wait, watch out for glass, by the way.
Oh, we made it.
People get drunk over here.
Holy shit.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on right now. Are we almost there?
Yeah, the hill's right there.
Okay.
Vous allez rusher? Je reste là.
Okay. Oh, well, my first vlog of the day.
Let's go for a hike.
Welcome to this vlog life.
Jesse, take pictures. I'm in a cute bikini. Okay, we're here. Wait a minute. Oh God. Okay. Tu vois là?
But I'm not jumping from here. There is no way. Oh, shoot. I'm about to fall.
Alright.
Have you guys seen people jumping from here?
It's like just over there.
Oh, like more outside?
Yeah, there was this kid jumping out there, but it's lower.
Oh, look how pretty this is.
And then you go from the other side?
I think we just gotta climb up the rock.
People jump over here too, right?
I don't know.
Uh,
I wouldn't risk it.
yeah.
But I'm gonna go the other side. Let's try the other
I'm
side.
not risking this right here.
Moi, je vais nager là.
Yeah, but let's try the other side.
I mean, like what?
The other side, like that side, just right down there. Here I can see the
Ooh,
rocks
I'm nope.
This is
I'm
crazy.
I don't know what's going on right
and
now.
that. You already know, man. It's Big Nuz in the building. What's up, y'all? This is vlog by
I don't understand what's going on right now.
Yo, wait. We're about to jump, man. Sometimes it's a, you know, yeah. Yeah. Wait, give me a second.
Go ahead.
I'm
Bruh.
going now!
Est-ce que regarde? Because I know everybody else is watching, but is your mom watching?
I'm going now!
Elle est comme go.
If 2 people say no, I would actually not do it.
Who else said no?
I said no.
Oh, okay. Moi, j'ai pas dit non. I am just to go.
I like it.
Leica, I believe in you.
J'ai mal au
Rita, I like
Oh, sorry.
It's just because if I do this, I won't go too far. I need to run to go too far.
Don't
Bruh,
fall, though. You don't
this is taking way too long.
You're
No,
not
no,
even
no.
going in.
I'm not going in.
Exactly. So you
No,
should
I
just-
love my life way too much. I am not doing this. No, no, no. You better pay me $1 million for me to
Tu
do
peux me
this.
sauter là, là?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go with you.
One,
If it's more comfortable.
3, 4, go. Oh my
Bruh.
Okay, move over, please.
God.
Move over.
Yeah.
Move over. Oh, that's all he needed?
Bro.
I'm coming!
Laker, save a life! Save a life, Laker!
This guy's
What? Whoa! You guys are brave. You guys are very brave. Wow. Must be nice.
I'm gonna go again.
Must be nice. I can't do it. I'm sorry. Guys, so I'm back home. Andre, sit down. Andre, nobody wants to see you on my YouTube video, okay? Please. So yeah, I'm back home. It started to rain. And I had to get back here real quick and be all comfy. Come again, another day. Andre wants to play. Right. Anyways, so yeah, I had to come back here real quick to change and so we're going to have a barbecue, spend some time, some family time together, and talk about family matters. And for now, I'm just gonna spend a little bit more time with my family, and we're going to have a barbecue. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and like the video if you did like the video, and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.